Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 Mtb Bike Stem. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Fourier's 17-degree Mtb Stem. Specifications: fork clamp diameter 28.6 mm, height 36 to 45 mm, material aluminum alloy, handlebar diameter 31.8 mm, front fork caliber 28.6 mm, stem length 60 to 130 mm, applicable models mountain bikes, angle 17 degrees. Weight 142 g. Item number 4 is Tozik Carbon Mtb Bicycle Stem. Specifications: brand name Tozik, fork clamp diameter 26.8 mm, height 36 to 45 mm, material carbon fiber, angle 6 and 17 degrees. Length 70 to 130 mm. Color 3K matte. Handlebar diameter 31.8 mm. Weight 140 g, 160 g. As the item number 3 we've selected Tito New Titanium Bicycle Stem. Specifications: fork clamp diameter 28.6. Handlebar clamp diameter 31.1 to 32.5 mm. Height 26 to 35 mm. Material titanium. Length 50 to 120 mm custom. Size 25.4 mm 31.8 mm. Item number 2 is Koseblo Bike Aero Stem. Specifications: brand name Aliexpress. Type bicycle stem. Fork clamp diameter 28.6 mm. Handlebar clamp diameter 28.1 to 29.5 mm. Height 26 to 35 mm. Material carbon fiber. Origin mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have OUO CNC Stem. Specifications: brand name OUO. Type bicycle stem. Fork clamp diameter 28.6 mm. Handlebar clamp diameter 31.1 to 32.5 mm. Height 36 to 45 mm. Material aluminum alloy. Stem riser 6 to 17 degrees. Stem length 160, 170, 180 mm. Color black.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.